From the mesmerizing depths of the ocean to the hidden nooks of coral reefs, we showcase the most bizarre and extraordinary species that call these waters home. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the incredible adaptations, peculiar behaviors, and mind-boggling appearances of some of nature's strangest creations. The harp sponge is a strange type of deep-sea sponge known for its carnivorous appetite. The Chondrocladia lyra is more commonly known as the harp sponge because of its resemblance in shape to a classic harp or lyre. This weird creature uses Velcro-like hooks on the external parts of its body to ensnare copepods and other small crustaceans. The sponge then secretes a digestive membrane that breaks down the prey until it is able to be absorbed through the Chondrocladia lyra's pores. This weird sea creature made the list because of its strange appearance and even stranger eating habits. The goblin shark is one of the ugliest creatures to have been roaming the ocean depths in search of victims for the past 100 million years. It has a long snout which looks more like a sword than an antenna that is capable of sensing the minute electric fields produced by nearby prey, and a gnarly set of monstrous teeth capable of snapping out and devouring it. These dinosaur-like fish look like something straight out of a horror movie, making them one of the weirdest deep-sea animals in the entire ocean. The anglerfish is an extremely strange aquatic animal that lurks around the dark spots of the ocean. What makes the anglerfish so weird is a special organ attached to the front of its head called an esca. The esca is able to blow due to a special form of bacteria called bioluminescence that emits light. This special organ allows for this peculiar fish to live in depths of the ocean up to 3,300 feet, which is 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. These fish have made an appearance in loads of movies, including Ice Age and Finding Nemo. The vampire squid, or vampire squid from hell, is a creepy deep-sea cephalopod found throughout the warm waters of the world's oceans. What makes these squids so weird is the way that are able to survive in special habitat known as an oxygen minimum zone. OMZs have an extremely low amount of oxygen and very few animals are able to survive there. Instead of having ink sacs, these squids are able to release a cloud of bioluminescent innumerable orbs of blue light to distract and blind the would-be attacker while he retreats into the darkest. These animals are very small and are only able to grow to about 6 inches in size, so despite their scary appearance and name, they are harmless to humans. The blobfish is quite possibly the ugliest creature on the planet. Its appearance looks like that of a half-melted human reduced to nothing more than a bubble. It has facial features that resemble eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and looks as though it just fell out of a giant's nose. The blobfish can be found residing in the deep waters off the coast of Australia and New Zealand between the depths of 2,000 and 3,900 feet. Its ugly appearance is a result of the depressurization damage done while bringing the animal to the surface. Its initial appearance isn't quite as hideous but still would not rank in any pretty fish competitions. The white margin stargazer is a strange little fish that makes its home in the sandy lagoons of coastal waters. This fish is so strange because it buries itself in the sand with just its mouth and eyes preluding. While the fish does this in an attempt to ambush unsuspecting prey, it gained itself the name stargazer because it appears to be lying on its back looking up at the sky. Another strange fact about the stargazer is that it contains electrical organs behind the eyes that can discharge up to 50 volts. Obese dragonfish are an extremely rare type of dragonfish that lives at about 16,000 feet deep in the Indian, Atlantic, and Pacific Oceans. Out of all the various types of dragonfish, the obese dragonfish is one of the largest, being able to grow as large as 2 feet. What makes this fish strange is the lack of scales on its entire body and its various shades of black skin. Like most deep-sea fish, this swimming dragon has rows of photophores located alongside its body and below each of its eyes. These photophores are used to attract smaller fish out of the darkness that is the ocean and into range for them to eat. The harlequin jawfish is a strange Australian fish that has made the cut due to its strange appearance and breeding habits. After the 2 fish have completed mating, the female jawfish will give the eggs to the male, who holds them in his mouth. The fish are known as mouthbreeders. The frogfish is a strange member of the anglerfish family, extremely skilled at camouflage and mimicry. While frogfishes do not generally move very often, they do so by propelling themselves forward with their 2 legs, almost like a frog. While in open water, this strange fish is capable of propelling itself forward by medically forcing its breath out of its open gills, which lie behind its pelvic area. The frogfish has made the list due to a strange rock-like, reef-like appearance and froggish behavior. The Psychedelica is a type of frogfish who was named after its colorful white and pink striped fingerprint pattern. Like its cousins, this fish typically resides in the waters of Bali, Indonesia, and has flabby and fleshy skin. What makes this fish so original is that it lacks scales and has been that might be covered in a protective mucus. Looking at this animal is truly a psychedelic experience that should not be experienced while on hallucination-causing drugs. As we resurface from the depths, let the enchantment of these strange sea dwellers echo in your mind, reminding us of the magic that lies just beyond the shoreline. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.